Have you thought about how truly amazing the human body is? We frequently take for granted the abilities of our body, such as seeing, smelling, hearing, and moving. But did you know that there are plenty of mind-blowingly facts about the human body? Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, today we are going to explore some fascinating facts about the human body that you probably didn't know about. Before that, subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the bell icon to get notified of every new video from our channel. Now, let's dive in. Your fingernails grow 4 times faster than your toenails. It's commonly believed that our hair and nails keep growing after we pass away, but the truth is that this is only because the skin around them shrinks. While our hair and nails do not grow indefinitely, they do grow at various rates depending on where they are located in our bodies. Actually, the growth rate of our fingernails is about 4 times that of our toenails. Fingernails typically grow at a rate of 0.1 millimeters per day, whereas toenails typically grow at a rate of 0.025 millimeters per day. This indicates that a fingernail takes roughly 6 months to grow from the base to the tip, whereas a toenail takes roughly a year to do the same. Therefore, keep this in mind the next time you go to trim your nails. Fingernails grow much more quickly than toenails. Babies are born with 300 bones while adults have 206. You might be surprised to learn that newborns have 300 bones, which is a significant increase over the 206 bones that adults have. But how is that even possible? This difference results from the fact that some of a baby's bones are made of cartilage, a soft and flexible tissue that eventually turns into bone with age. As a child gets older, many of these cartilage bones join together, leaving an adult with fewer bones. The final count of 206 bones is the result of bone fusion that lasts until early adulthood. The fact that we have so many bones is just one illustration of how amazing our bodies are constantly adapting and changing. Eyelashes last about 150 days. Our eyelashes are a significant part of our face because they shield our eyes from harmful foreign objects like dust, debris, and other irritants. But did you know that eyelashes only live for a short time? Eyelashes typically last 150 days or about 5 months. They experience 3 distinct phases during this time: the phases of growth, transition, and rest. They will eventually disappear and be replaced by fresh lashes. This process of shedding is natural and harmless as it occurs as part of the growth cycle. However, some conditions, including aging, illnesses, and improper makeup removal, can cause premature lash loss. The human body produces about 1 to 2 liters of saliva every day. Our mouths produce saliva, a clear, watery fluid that is essential to both our oral and digestive health. Each day, the average person produces 1 to 2 liters of saliva, with production rising during meals and falling during sleep. Saliva aids in the breakdown of food and causes the digestive process, making it easier for us to swallow and digest food. Saliva also has enzymes that aid in the fight against oral bacteria, a crucial component of preserving good oral health. In fact, saliva aids in neutralizing bacterial acid, which can result in gum disease and tooth decay. Therefore, keep in mind that saliva is more than just a common liquid when you produce it in the future because it is crucial to your overall health. Our eyes are capable of processing up to 36,000 bits of information per hour. Amazingly, our eyes are organs that can process a tremendous amount of data. In fact, they have the processing power to handle up to 36,000 bits of data per hour, which enables real-time image processing. The human eye's complex structure, which includes the cornea, iris, lens, retina, and optic nerve, enables this amazing feat. Through the cornea, light enters the eye and is focused by the lens onto the retina. Rod and cone photoreceptor cells in the retina transform light into electrical signals that are sent from the brain via the optic nerve. The images we see are then produced by the brain's interpretation of these signals. It is truly amazing that our eyes can process so much data so quickly, and it is evidence of the human body's incredible efficiency and complexity. The smallest bone in the body is located in the ear. A complex and amazing organ, the human ear is what gives us our sense of hearing and balance. The ossicles, the tiniest bones in the human body, are 3 tiny bones that are found in them. The stapes, also known as the stirrup bone, is the smallest of these bones and is found in the middle ear. The stapes are only 2.8 millimeters long and less than 1/30th of a gram in weight. The stapes, despite their small size, are essential for sound transmission from the eardrum to the inner ear. The sound waves are transmitted through the cochlea's fluid-filled chamber, where they are converted into electrical signals and sent to the brain as it vibrates against the oval window's membrane. The amazing construction of the human ear and its tiny parts serves as a reminder of the complex internal mechanisms of the body. A sneeze blows air out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. When we sneeze, air leaves our mouth and nose at an amazing rate of speed. A single sneeze can actually accelerate the air up to 100 miles per hour. As a result, sneezing is one of the most powerful and fastest bodily processes. Actually, sneezing is a defense mechanism that aids in clearing pollutants from the nose, including dust, pollen, and other foreign objects that may have entered inside. Our bodies try to remove these pollutants from the nasal cavity when we sneeze, which is why it can be so forceful. Even though sneezing may annoy those around us, it serves a vital purpose in maintaining the health of our respiratory system. Our height can vary depending on the time of day. You really do stand taller in the morning than at night. This results from the spine being compressed throughout the day. The discs in your spine become thinner during the day as a result of gravity compressing them. By the end of the day, this may result in you losing up to 1 inch of height. The discs in your spine have a chance to rehydrate and expand once more when you lie down at night. You might notice that you are taller in the morning compared to the previous evening for this reason. Since younger people's discs are more flexible and can expand and contract more easily, this phenomenon is more obvious in them. However, as we get older, our discs lose flexibility and might not instantly regain their full height. Eyes remain almost the same size your entire life. Contrary to common belief, which holds that eyes enlarge or contract with age, we all have nearly the same sized eyes for the duration of our lives. Our genes and early fetal growth both play a role in determining the size of our eyes. However, as we age, the shape of our eyes can alter, resulting in vision changes like nearsightedness or farsightedness. Peripheral vision may be affected by eyelid drooping and weakening of the muscles around the eyes. By getting routine eye exams and taking breaks from staring at screens to reduce eye strain, we can take good care of our eyes as we age. We can continue to see clearly for the rest of our lives if we take care of our eyes. The human nose can recognize over 1 trillion different scents. Did you know? The human nose can distinguish between more than 1 trillion different scents. Our ability to distinguish between thousands of different odor molecules makes our sense of smell truly amazing. The human olfactory system is made up of a complex system of nerves and cells that cooperate to recognize and detect various smells. When we breathe in, air containing odor molecules enters our nostrils, travels to the olfactory epithelium, and is then detected by cells in our nose, which then sends signals to our brain. Interestingly, the ability to distinguish between different smells can vary greatly from person to person. While some people may have keen senses of smell, others may struggle to pick up on certain scents. So, the human nose is still a remarkable sensory organ that is essential for the way we perceive the world around us. So, these are some mind-blowing facts about the human body that will make you gasp in amazement. We truly hope you enjoyed watching these fascinating facts and gained a new understanding of the complex nature of the human body. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.